Okay, so next example tayo, example number 2 or situation number 2. The soil sample in natural state having a volume of 0.0012, okay, cubic meter weighs 73, 1 point, actually this one is 1.73, 1.73 kilogram. The degree of saturation being 45.60%. And after drying in an oven, the final weight of sample was 1.44. So first question, find the specific gravity of soil, of solid kako sana, determine the void ratio, and compute the critical hydraulic gradient. So given, we have here are the following given values. Soil sample in natural state having a volume of 0.0012 cubic meter and weighs 1.7. So we have your weight of soil sample which is equal to 1.73 kilogram. Tama? And we have your total volume which is equal to 0.0012 per cubic meter. And again, if I'm going to ask you what type of soil is this one, this is your moist soil. Tama? Hindi naman siya specify whether it is a saturated soil. And then, after the degree of saturation being 45.60%. Okay? So 45.60%. So after drying in an oven, the final weight of sample was 1.44. So ibig sabihin ito yung magiging weight of solid na natin. Weight of solid mo would be equal to 1.44 kilogram. Okay? Next, what are the requirements here? Your requirements are the following. We have here for your letter A, the specific gravity, and for your letter B, we have to determine the void ratio, and letter C, we need to compute the ICR, your critical hydraulic gradient. Yes? And then next, for our solution. For our solution, guys, we need first to determine all the values for your unit moist soil, the gamma dry soil, and the water content. And for which, after which, kako sana, we will go to substitute the values. Kasi, in solving this problem, dito pa lang, nag-start na tayong mag-analyze. Medyo yung utak na natin dito, marami tayong pwedeng gamitin na formulas dito. Okay? So, like what I've said, we're going to first to determine yung unit weight of your moist soil. Okay? Gamma is equal to weight over volume. Kasi yan, pwede natin masolve yan. Weight is equal to 1.73 kilogram divided by 0.0012 cubic meter. And take note guys, again, this one is in terms of density. Ka-density pa siya. So, pwede na natin direct substitution. 9.81 kilonewton divided by 1,000 kilogram. To make it, our unit weight is equal to what? Ayan. 1.73 times 9.81. 1.73 divided 0.0012. Yan. Times 9.81 divided by 1,000. So, that is around 14.14 kilonewton per cubic meter. That's the unit weight of moist soil natin. Or this one is your gamma M. Or this one is your gamma M. Unit moist. And then next, bakit natin sinolve ito? Itong unit moist of soil. Kasi as we all know guys, that your formula for unit moist, gamma moist is equal to 1 plus water content times GS times unit weight of water divided by 1 plus E. Okay? So, naalala nyo to dun sa formulas natin na marami. If you still remember this formula. Ayan. Okay? So, next. Unit weight of soil. Tama? Unit weight of soil. Na-solve na natin. Ito yun. And then, solve din natin later on yung water content. Kasi pag ma-solve natin yung water content, mamaya, given naman tong unit weight of water, and then yung value ng E, isa-substitute natin in terms of specific gravity para sa lang yan. Okay? So, again, this is our equation para ma-solve natin yung specific gravity mamaya. The next, let's proceed to your what we call your gamma dry. Kasi baka importante din to. Gamma dry is simply equal to basic formula, weight of solid divided by total volume. Tama? Weight of solid natin was 1.44 divided by 0.0012 cubic meter times 9.81 kilonewton divided by 1,000 kilogram. Okay? So, direct substitute ko na. Gamma dry is simply equal to 1.44 divided by 0.0012 times 9.81 divided by 1,000. So, this is equal to 11.77. 11.77 kilonewton per cubic meter. Yes? Yan, magagamit din natin kaya mamaya yan. And then, one thing more, meron tayong tinatawag na water content. Water content is equal to weight of water divided by weight of solids. Wherein, your total weight, lagi nyo tandaan to, pwede mong manipulate to later on sa mga exams nyo. Total weight is equal to weight of water plus weight of solids, and therefore, from here, weight of water is equal to weight minus weight of solids. So, substitute natin. Weight of water is equal to weight minus weight of solids divided by weight of solids. Water content mo. So, what is your total weight here? Total weight is 1.73. 1.73 minus 1.44 divided by 1.44. Again, your water content is expressed in terms of percent kapag unknown siya or kahit di siya unknown. So, 1.73 divided by minus 1.44 divided by 1.44. Okay, so this one is around 0.2014 or 20.14%. Okay? So, ngayon. So, gaano ba ka-importante yan? So, solve kasi natin dito. Okay. Since SE is equal to a gas. Yes? SE is equal to a gas. Ang E natin ngayon dito is simply equal to a gas divided by degree of saturation. Okay? So, sir, bakit mo in-introduce ito? Kasi itong value ng E, pwede kong substitute dito. Dito. Yes? Para itong formulang ito, pwede ko nang gamitin dyan. Paano? So, sulat natin gamma 1 plus water content times GS times unit weight of water all over 1 plus E. Yung unit weight mo ba? Given na. Yes, which is equal to 14.14. Yung water content mo ba? Given na ba? Yes, which is equal to 0.2014. Or this one is equal to 20.14%. How about yung GS? Given na ba? Yan po yung unknown. So, unknown ito. How about yung unit weight of water? So, constant yan. Ang unit weight of water, sure. Tubig minus 9.81. Tama ba? And then, how about yung E mo, given ba? Yes, through this one. Gagamitin ko siya through this one. Kasi, S mo dito, given naman siya, which is equal to 45.60. Given, nakuha ko naman na to. Water content. So, ano yung unknown lang? Ito na lang yung unknown. This one is only yung unknown natin. Nakuha? So, substitute natin, guys. So, our formula, kakalabasan yung gamma, 1 plus water content, GS times unit weight of water, divided by 1 plus. Your E is equal to gas times all over degree of saturation. Okay? Substitute. 14.14 kilonewton per cubic meter is equal to 1 plus 0.2014. That is your water content. Itong point, ito yun. Di ba? Times GS, unknown. GS natin is unknown. Okay? Yan, GS is unknown. GS, unknown. Okay, GS is unknown. And then your unit weight of water is equal to 9.81 divided by 1 plus water contents 0.2014 times GS is unknown. Okay? Divided by degree of saturation, 45.60, or this one's 0.4560. So, solving for your GS, guys. Anong solve natin dito? Solve natin. 14.14 alpha equals 1 plus 0.2014 times alpha x times 9.81 times all over 1 plus 0.214 alpha x. Yan, divided by 0.4560. So, ngayon, ang specific gravity natin dito is equal to, yan, antayin natin yung sagot. Yun, 2.55. 2.55 unit gust. So, this is our specific gravity. Okay? So, that's it for your letter A. And for your letter B, mabilis na lang. So, for your letter B naman, kukunin natin dito. Dito, yung galing siya dito. Diba? Yan, that is our formula na ganun. E is equal to wagas divided by your S. So, yung water content mo is 0.2014 and then your specific gravity is 2.55. Ayun, na-solve mo naman na kasi divided by 0.4560 which is equal to this one, degree of saturation. Okay? So, E natin ngayon, solve natin. Yan. 0.2014 times 2.55 divided by 0.4560. Okay? So, our void ratio is equal to 1.13. 1.13. Okay? So, that is our answer. And last, what would be our critical hydraulic gradient? So, ang critical hydraulic gradient natin, guys, ano yung formula natin sa critical hydraulic gradient? For letter C, ICR is equal to GS minus 1 all over 1 plus E. Okay? Still remember? Yung dinerive natin kanina. GS, 2.55 minus 1 all over 1 plus E is equal to, ano yung E natin? 1.13. 1.13. ICR, ayan, 2.55 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1.13. So, critical hydraulic gradient natin is 0.73. Okay? So, that's it for your example number 2. So, again, see you in our next videos. Thank you, guys.